Hello everyone, I am Varalakshmi and today I am going to share with you all the necessity to have a clean and green environment. As you already know, our environment provides us with oxygen, food such as vegetables, fish, chicken and water. And it is also a habitat for various animals. Now, let's move on to some tips and tricks about planting at home. You don't necessarily need a vast area or expensive equipment. For example, if you have empty detergent containers, water bottles or cans, you can easily convert them into cute pots. Fun fact, some plants don't even need soil to grow. For example, pudina. Being surrounded with plants only makes us happier. So dear friends, system can change, human beings can change, but unless you do something about it, climate change is here to stay. So let us be more environmentally conscious. Thank you.
The Heart of the Tree by Henry Kyler Bunner. What does he plant who plants a tree? He plants a friend of sun and sky. He plants the flag of breezes free, the shaft of beauty towering high. He plants a home to heaven anigh, for song and mother croon of bird, in hushed and happy twilight heard, the treble of heaven's harmony. These things he plants who plants a tree. What does he plant who plants a tree? He plants cool shade and tender rain, and seed and bud of days to be, and years that fade and flush again. He plants the glory of the plain. He plants the forest's heritage, the harvest of a coming age, the joy that unborn eyes shall see. These things he plants who plants a tree. What does he plant who plants a tree? He plants in sap and leaf and wood, in love of home and loyalty, and far cast thought of civic good, his blessings on the neighborhood, who in the hollow of his hand holds all the growth of all our land. A nation's growth from sea to sea stirs in his heart who plants a tree.
Namaste. Sun in the morning, moon in the night, making the world happy and bright. To make world's future right, save environment and reach to its height. Happy Environment Day to one and all. Every year we celebrate Environment Day on 5th June globally. On this day, we spread awareness on environment and a need to conserve it. But we should really ask ourselves a question. Are we really putting any efforts to conserve it? Sometimes we get answer no. We see lot of people throwing garbage in seas, collecting garbage around trees, throwing it them on the road. Many big industries releasing unhealthy smoke in air, cutting down forest on name behind techno-savvy developments and many more things. Mother Nature has given us innumerable gifts. We human beings cannot be selfish and use that all for ourselves. After all, Earth is the only thing we all have in common. So let's pledge on this Environment Day to save and conserve Mother Nature, not only on Environmental Day but on each day of our life. After all, a future can either be green or not at all.
माटी कहे कुम्हार से तू क्या रौंदे मोर एक दिन ऐसा आएगा मैं रौंदूंगी तो मैं रौंदूंगी तो वृक्ष कबहू नहीं फल भखे नदी न संचैनी वृक्ष कबहू नहीं फल बखे नदी न संचैनी परमारथ के कारण साधुन धरा शरीर परमारथ के कारण साधुन धरा शरीर साधुन धरा शरीर।
सूर्यमाला आज आली उष्ण झाली ही धारा रम्यतेचे भान घ्या हो चरण पृथ्वीचे धारा माय माझ्या जीवनाची ज्योत सुंदर लाविली सारंग राजा रंगनाथ प्रकृतीची बाहुली चंद्र तारे मंदवारे छान छोट्या चांदण्या प्रकृती आनंद घेतो या धारेच्या पाहुण्या राजयोगी जन्म झाला पृथ्वीतल जो मज मिळाला प्रकृती जणू माय माझी कल्पवृक्ष तो उडाला प्रार्थना माझी तुम्हाला ताण का हो या जगाला प्रकृतीचे जाणके आधार द्या वृंदावनाला।
Namaste. My name is Lakshmipriya Sethumadhavan Nair, student of Nalanda Nrityakala Mahavidyalaya, Foundation 2. As we all are celebrating Vasundhara this year, I would like to speak few words on it. Tulsi can be also called as Tulasi and Vrinda. Tulsi is also called holy basil because we consider Tulsi as an avatar of goddess Lakshmi, the principal consort of Lord Vishnu. That is why we can mostly see in the temple of Vaishnavite the large use of Tulsi. Many temples plant Tulsi so that the woody stem of the plant that have died can be used to make beads for Japamala. The beginning of Hindu wedding season is marked by the festival called Tulsi Vivaha, where at homes and in temples ceremonially weds Tulsi with Lord Vishnu. As per to our Hindu scriptures, Tulsi is the symbol of purity. The Tulsi that we grow in our house is mainly Rama Tulsi or Krishna Tulsi.
Namaste. World Environmental Day is celebrated annually on 5 June and is the United Nations principal vehicle for encouraging awareness and action for the protection of environment. First held in 1974, it has been a platform for raising awareness on environmental issues such as marine pollution, human overpopulation, global warming, sustainable consumption, and wildlife crime. World Environment Day is a global platform for public outreach with a participation from over 143 countries annually. Each year, the program has provided a theme and forum for business, non-government organizations, communities, governments, and celebrities to advocate environmental causes. We have to plant saplings on a daily basis, not only on Environment Day. We have to save water for our future. Thank you.